Hooray! I've made it. We've landed. Arriving in Beijing, I was definitely hoping for much better weather than I had experienced in India. But lucky me, more of the rain. And this flight landed at an incredibly stupid time, somewhere around 1:30 in the morning. And then by the time you get through customs, it's around 3 a.m. I cannot understand why airlines even have flights scheduled to land at that time. It's crazy. Luckily, I left my schedule pretty open to see how things were when I arrived. And since it wasn't just raining, but again downpouring, I decided to go straight to the train station and head on to the city of Datong. Here's the train station. Let's go in and get a ticket for the high-speed train. And if you haven't been in a Chinese train station lately, be ready for airport-type security when you go in. I had a bottle of water in my luggage, and man, they tore that apart. I knew that was a no-no in an airport. I didn't realize a train station would make that a big deal also. And by the way, you'll also go through security at subway stations as well, so just be prepared. And here comes the train now. And like I said, my original plan was probably to spend the first day in Beijing, but since the weather was so terrible, and I am coming back to Beijing at the end of my trip, I decided I might as well move on right now. Like I said, right now I'm heading from Beijing to the city of Datong. Going with a high-speed train takes your journey time down from around 6 hours to around 2 hours. So it really is helpful and it really is worth it. And prices are so low in China that it's not going to cost that big of a difference. About $7 American for a regular train ticket and less than $20 for a high-speed rail ticket. And just like that, here we are arriving in Datong, which itself has a fascinating old city wall worth exploring, and 3 amazing world-class sites that are not overrun with foreign tourists. As I exit the train station, you can see they are showcasing a couple of those sites, starting with the Yungang grottos here, and the Hanging Temple over here. And now I've finally made it to a hotel, which is just outside the old city walls, and right next to a shopping mall. Well, I've gotten zero sleep, but I've never been one to stop and rest when there are fun things to see and do out there. So join me in the next video as I get out there and explore the city and go through the old city walls.